Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the software and secure updates notifications on the CMap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes. And go to the settings button. Just scroll down and in the push notification section you can find the software and secure updates option, and just click to the white square icon and new is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.